Hi guys, so we're 5 episodes in and I thought it's probably a good idea if I introduce myself. My name's Stuart and I've been hill climbing for about 2 years. All of this is done for fun. I'm not actually a mechanic or engineer or anything like that. I literally just do it all at home in the garage, build my own car and then race it up a hill. I know you guys have been leaving comments sort of in the lower section. I've been trying to get back to many of you as possible, sort of answering your questions, things like that. Really appreciate them, by the way. It sort of just helps me sort of get through it, and it's nice to see the people enjoying the videos. The actual idea of building the Rinny was more to test myself to see what I could and couldn't do. It sort of escalated ever so slightly. This is the first competitive hill climb I've done with the car. Gurston Down, been there once before, but not had a huge amount of practice there. So enjoy the videos. So guys, look at already well established in second place. Can get past he wants to do that about a second and a half, second and a quarter or so. This is the first time this car's done a competitive hill climb. Raced my other car for about 2 years, got pretty used to it, and then thought I'd mix it all up by building another one. It's definitely good fun.